Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Listen, Montana isn't the only one dealing with winter weather and extreme cold. We have snow into the Great Plains and out all the way into Kentucky, with snow possible into the eastern United States today and into tomorrow. So pretty significant Arctic outbreak underway, but going back to our states, some of the snow still here as well. We do have some light to moderate snow throughout much of western Montana this morning, southern Montana as well. Billings out to the Bozeman area. Radar's overshooting a lot of this snow as it is a very thin layer of clouds, but there is a lot of snow in most of this area. Winter storm warning still going on for another few hours near the Missoula, Seeley Lake areas. Winter weather advisories for Helena, Townsend, down to Bozeman, and even out into eastern Montana. Those will be shaved off throughout the day today. So we do have snow in the Helena area, the Great Falls area right now. By about 10 o'clock, Great Falls will be dry. Helena will be getting the remaining snow showers throughout the day. Some isolated activity to the west of town, right up along the divide this afternoon, but most of the activity south of I-90 and out of the state by tonight. We're left with a little bit of cloud cover that will start to decrease into the nighttime hours. That is a recipe for some very cold air tomorrow morning. We do have another system starting to make its way in Wednesday, and then by Wednesday night could be looking at a little bit of additional snow here in Helena, but this is a mainly mountain snow event. Areas in the plains will be dry. So here's the future snow, less than an inch for most of the area with this remaining snow with the system that we've had affecting us over the last few days. But with Wednesday's little disturbance coming through, could get another inch or two into the lower elevations, up to 6 inches of snow into the mountains of southern Montana. Here's a look at Helena this morning. Sun's coming up. There is a little bit of light snow falling if you look at the light posts there. 2 degrees. It's very cold, but not as cold as some places into the plains. Great Falls camera is not working, but we are 30 below with the wind chill right now. There is some light snow falling, a north wind at 8 miles an hour. Temperatures are very cold into the flatter regions of our state. A stationary front right up against the mountains here, separating cold air from very cold air. And if we turn on the wind chills, it is up to 52 below zero in Glasgow, 52 below in Glendive, and even down into Baker, 53 below. So these cold wind chills will be lasting through tomorrow morning, and then warmer air finally making its way back into the state. It's going to feel like spring by this weekend for a lot of locations where Great Falls, Lewistown, Havre could all be up into the 50s by the beginning of next week. But we're still dealing with cold weather today and tomorrow, so extreme cold warnings for a good majority of the state here, where wind chills could be as low as 60 below zero. The wind's not so bad right now, but it will start to pick up later this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ground blizzard conditions possible, and winter storm watch in effect for the Rocky Mountain front, where we will have blowing and drifting snow across roadways. So at least today, just some isolated areas of some gustier wind near Canyon Ferry. Could be looking at some blowing snow on the roadways there to Highway 287 down there. But by Wednesday, wind picks up in the plains, and that's where we're going to see the blowing and drifting snow really become a concern. We'll have visibility down near zero with those ground blizzard conditions. Here's the next 7 days for Helena. A couple more days of extreme cold, and then we slowly start to warm up. Great Falls, our warming trend is going to come quicker. We'll be in the 30s by Thursday, 40s by the weekend, and then we're in the 50s to begin next week.